Hey Lazy Girl Approved fam, I am here today with a wig from a brand I have actually never tried, and it's under $20. It is on sale. That's not the original price it was, but they still have a bunch of colors left everywhere I saw. So today we are going to be trying Model Model. The style is Effie and the color is Azure Blue. And it is a lace part wig, 5-inch lace part. Yeah, so let's see what we got. All right, she's out of the package, and this is the card. And the blue that was on there is actually blue raspberry. This is Azure Blue, which I did not see any color swatch, maybe I did see it, but I wasn't sure what it was. So, and this is a lace part, but it doesn't have any lace to cut. It's already cut, which is good and bad. I mean, as far as lazy girl goes, that's great because I don't have to do anything. We'll see, if it's realistic. So inside the cap, we've got 2 combs at the front. We've got 1 at the back. And of course the elastics. So let's, it looks, I see. So it's literally just a lace part, not lace front. So that would be probably why it's only $17. So let's try her on. I didn't want to take that one off. She's so pretty. She's so pretty. So pretty. Oh my God, you guys. I can't stand my hair. It looks so much thinner because it's gray. It's graying. I got my first gray when I was 19, when I was pregnant with my son. Yes, I was pregnant with my son at 19. Got married at 19. Got pregnant a month later. Was it a month later? Oh, I can't remember, but it was pretty quick. Yeah, and we are still together 26 years later. There's been some bumps. We actually got divorced and remarried again to each other. So that's a whole other story. I love this color, you guys. Oh, wow. Oh, this is pretty. I love this. Wow. I do need to clean this up a little bit. There's some this could be me just shoving stuff under. But, sometimes you need to pluck some of these hairs. Because they be just going every which way. But, the part is cool. Just needs some foundation. And probably a little tweezing here at the front. Is it the most realistic? No, but it's not the worst. I'll tell you that. It's blending and you'd be good. I wouldn't, put it up in a ponytail or anything, or put it back. It's not the most realistic there, but it's only a lace part, so I don't expect it to be one that you put up. I am in love with this color. Holy cow. This is gorgeous. And this was $17. Okay, so for anyone that buys off Amazon for $17, what you usually get is a piece of crap. Now, I'm sure there are some good finds as far as when it comes to a lace part wig or something that is not, usually it has not lace and it's got that big hump right here where it's just horrendous. And if you spend $17 on Amazon, it's kind of like usually plasticky looking. This looks super realistic. It is obviously textured. And I gotta start learning the names of what the different hair texture is. I feel like when I look at it, I know what it is, but then later I can't remember which one is which, but it's for sure textured. but not too much where it won't look natural for me. And if someone's that close looking at this hair, then we got bigger problems. Yeah, I love this. This is fantastical. It is. Let me give you a 360 view. Let's see what we're working with. Okay, what do you guys think now that you've seen the 360 view? I personally am in love with this thing. It is not the 100% most realistic part, but for $17, this is phenomenal. It's way better than a $17 wig on Amazon, I'll tell you that. And it comes in all those different colors. Let's see, does it show? Okay, hold on. So you've got, I think not all the colors are on here either because this Azure is not on there. Come on, baby. So you've got these. Like I might actually order that purple one, red one, and then I'm definitely going to order this pink one. That's just stunning. Maybe even the orange one. I know. I have a problem because I have to work to buy wigs. I'm telling you. I do. I can't stop looking at it. It's just a gorgeous ass color. Gorgy. Okay. So Lazy Girl approved gives us a thumbs up. My final thoughts are it is fantastic, especially for $17. I probably would pay even more for it just because the color is phenomenal. It's like a dark, and then it's got like baby blue mixed with electric mixed with like a, I can't even describe the blues it is. It's just crazy. It's awesome. And it looks, to me, it looks realistic because it's like when you color your hair, it gets kind of, it doesn't look 100% healthy. It looks a little, colored. And I love that it's like kind of a razor cut. It's not just, it looks realistic. It looks like I got my hair dyed and cut. So this is definitely a Lazy Girl approved thumbs up. And this was, oh goodness, Model Effie, E-F-F-I-E. And this is Azure Blue. And it was on sale for $17. Go get this. Go get it. And go get it in multiple colors if you want. Thank you for hanging out with me today. This was fantastic. See you guys next time.